Hello, I'm Ms Divya. I'm from Pekanbaru, from Indonesian Creative School. Well, the workshop was very informative. Most of the workshop was telling us how important emotional intelligence is. Too many of us pay a lot of attention on the academics, and sometimes we forget that there are other things that is more important, that is equally important other than academics, such as social and emotional intelligence.
Yes. I think I'll choose this. Oh, that one. That's your pencil case, right? Yeah, pencil case. Pencil size.
Please, teacher.
There's
No.
milk. I think it's milk.
Milk.
No, is it milk?
Susu. Chocolate.
Hi, I am Elise from Mentari Bintaro. We were reminded to not just really focus on academics, but also focus with the child as a whole person. Growth mindset is really very important to bring out the best in the students. Actually, it was very engaging and very interactive. We were allowed to share what we learned, share what we already know, and Ms Pamela was able to guide us and teach us new learnings for today.